ever hear from me. And I will put my number down in the description down below. I am doing drawings in here. In another video, I will show you them. But if you want me to draw anything, I'll draw to express myself. That's the only way I feel like I can. But honestly, here, I'll draw you. I'll put my number down below from text now, and you can just talk to me. You can roleplay with me. I could send you pictures of it. But yeah, sorry if this video isn't longer. I'm sorry. I have low storage creeping up on me, and I don't want to go over that. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, show your friends, and I'll thank you, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Bye bye, deuces.